The Happy Bracelet tutorial is here. In this order, insert the lobster and seed bead. Make 3 knots. Pass 1 seed bead. In this order, insert the seed bead and crystal. Pass through seed bead. Take out the thread from the seed bead. In this order, insert the seed bead, crystal, and pearl. Pass through seed bead. Pass the pearl. In this order, insert the bead. Pass through pearl. Pass through seed bead. Repeat the above steps to the appropriate length and you are done. You can also try this tutorial with fishing line.